Hello everybody, this is Zephyr with your ChildTrax support team, and in this video I'm going to show you some new reporting and miscellaneous changes within our new release 3.17.1.1. So the first change I want to show you involves a report under Administrative, Reports, and then the Client and Agency Placement list. So I'm going to run this report like normal, and then I'll show you the minor change that we added to this report. So I'm just going to put in a default date range and click search. So as you can see, this is a basic report that shows clients and the agency and where they were placed. It shows how many census stays they were in, the client's name and their social security number and their current location. Now before, we didn't have this option where you can write this to CSV. So now I can write to CSV, click search, then I can scroll to the bottom, and I can have all this pull into an Excel file rather than just a static report where I can't manipulate the data. So when I open up the report, you'll see all that information that was displaying on that report now pulls to an Excel file that I can delete and remove and filter however I want and make my own custom report off of it. The next thing I want to show you is under the same section, so we're going to go to Administrative, Reports, and then Client by Age. Before, we had a default final age of 18. We have added the ability to go all the way up to 99, as some of our partners here have adults in their care. So this way you can run a report based on any age. So in this case, I'll just run a report on 0 to 99. And then I can see all my clients based on that age range. The next thing I want to show you is a new dynamic field that we have added to the system. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you it within client care, but this new dynamic field will also work in home requirements, parent requirements, and any type of additional field. So when I come here to client care, when I open up this birth certificate here, you're going to see a new field that says reports to. So adding this field will, whoever is editing a document, it will automatically pull whoever they report to and automatically apply it here. And once I save this, it will save it to that, or save that name there. So if someone else who has a different report who comes in, it doesn't change this field. That way, if you want a supervisor's name to automatically pull to any document that a caseworker is working on, you can have it automatically pull this way. Now again, this dynamic field will work in foster parent requirements and foster home requirements as well. And if you would like some assistance having this set up in your system, just let us know. The next thing I want to show you is under Find a Client here. Now before, when you opened up Find a Client, nothing would be defaulted. As you can see, this cursor is already started here, so I can automatically start typing. So again, when I go to Find a Client, I can just start typing without having to click any field at all. Before, there wouldn't be any cursor automatically chosen here. You would have to manually click in first name and start typing. This way you can just have it a little bit quicker on trying to find somebody without having to move your mouse all the way across the screen, etc. Now the final change I want to show you is within the report date range start page, which I can get to by Administrative, Reports, Report date range start page. So we used to have a item in here that said youth care efficiency. Now youth care is something that nobody else uses anymore. This was replaced by client care, and as you see, client care efficiency is in here. Since none of our partners use youth care anymore, we have removed that report from this table, and we also removed the another youth care report from the report date range start page from this area as well. So you will no longer see any youth care reports within the system. This was causing some confusion with some people as they thought it was related to like client care. So to remove all that confusion, we removed it from the system completely, so you'll no longer see it within any of these report ranges. And this will conclude the reporting and miscellaneous changes in our new version 3.17.1.1.